Assalamualaikum dear students, SDMES Boys English Medium Primary School, Standard 3rd, Subject GK, and here your GK teacher Sayyid Gulaf Shah. Let's start our today's revision. In our last lecture, we had done our first chapter revision, our national leaders and their slogans. Now next chapter, national symbol of India. So let's start our revision. National flag. See, this is our national flag. First one is saffron, second one white, and third one is green color. Okay, so let's start some information about that. Our national flag has three horizontal bands. Look, three horizontal bands: saffron, white, and green. The saffron band is at the top. See boys, saffron is on the top, while the green one is at the bottom. Green one is at the bottom. And the white band is in the middle. White is in the middle. And in its center is the blue Ashok Chakra. And center of white color, there is Ashok Chakra. And its color is blue. The flag is rectangular in shape. Flag shape is rectangular. And its length is 1.5 times its breadth. 1.5 टाइम ब्रेथ का जो होगा उतनी उसकी क्या है, लेंथ है. ओके, सो फिनिश नेशनल फ्लैग. नेशनल एम्बलम. Our national emblem consists of 4 lions facing the 4 directions, but only 3 can be seen from the front. So our next topic is national emblem. Our national emblem consists of 4 lions facing the 4 direction. See, 4 lions facing the different direction, but only 3 can be seen from the front. There is 4 lions, but we can see only 3. The emblem has been designed after the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. इसको कब डिज़ाइन किया गया? जब अशोका पिलर जो है वो कंप्लीट बनकर रेडी हो गया था. सारनाथ ये एक प्लेस का नाम है, तो वहाँ से इसको डिज़ाइन किया गया है. एट द बेस ऑफ एम्बलम देयर इज़ अ व्हील विथ 24 spokes. There is a wheel 24 spokes. There is a horse on one side and a block on the other side. See, block and horse, two different sides of the wheel. Our national motto Satyamev Jayate, truth alone triumphs, is written in Devanagari at the base of the emblem. It is the national motto of India. Which is the national motto of India? Satyamev Jayate. Okay, done 2 topics. Now third topic is national anthem. Jana Gana Mana is a national anthem. There is 2 type of song we always sang, like Jana Gana Mana and Vande Mataram. But Jana Gana Mana as a national anthem, you have to make difference between these 2 songs. Okay. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. It is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Jana Gana Mana is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Don't confuse about that. Now next, national song Vande Mataram is our national song. Okay, you have to learn these different, like national anthem and national song. National anthem is Jana Gana Mana and national song is Vande Mataram, and it is composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who is composed this national song? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, done. Now fifth, national animal. Tiger is our national animal. See, tiger is our national animal. Which flower is this? This is lotus. National flower. Lotus is our national flower. Which bird is this? Peacock. National bird Peacock is our national bird. Okay, now see exercise boys. See, match the column A and B by writing the correct answer from the column B in column A. See, first is national bird, second one is national animal, third one is national anthem, and fourth one is national song. Here is answer: tiger, Vande Mataram, peacock, and Jana Gana Mana. So tiger is a national animal, Vande Mataram is a national song, peacock is a national bird, and Jana Gana Mana is a national anthem. So you have to write down here. In front of national bird, you have to write peacock. In front of national animal, you have to write tiger. National anthem Jana Gana Mana, and national song Vande Mataram. So our second chapter in our GK, which is our second chapter, national symbol of India, is finished now in revision. So you have to learn all the things and write down in your workbook also if you are not done. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to press like button after watching this video.